Twitter. How good is it for getting OnlyFans subs? Well, it's definitely viable if you put the effort in, but for now, I recommend holding off, and here's why.
Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. No office, hence the different hotel rooms and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video.
If you aren't aware, Elon Musk recently purchased Twitter for $44 billion, and now it is infamously known as Twitter 2.0. What this means is that there are a lot of changes. If you are not familiar with the whole story, Elon Musk is pushing for a more free speech platform. Now, as a result, a lot of advertisers are pulling out and things are getting a little dicey and up in the air. How does this affect you? Well, he has also declared war against bots and spam, which means this is mainly for agencies out there. Any of you who are currently using any bots on Twitter or plan to use bots or any kind of Twitter scheduling software, well, it's about to get disrupted. So I would recommend holding off on Twitter for now until the dust settles and you know a better plan of attack. Plus, these new changes can also be introducing a whole new way to market your content. What do I mean by that? If you are also not familiar, Twitter is introducing a section just for creators where they can create content and, just like OnlyFans, get subscribers. And you can have paid subscribers. So this can essentially be like another OnlyFans. So not only would I hold off promoting on Twitter, but when the dust settles and we become more familiar with what we are and are not able to do on the platform, then there will be a whole new market to advertise your content. So I would hold off on promoting, wait to see what happens, and then I'll start preparing to use a whole other platform on top of OnlyFans. Because if you are not familiar with Elon, well, he doesn't give a shit about porn being on here. His whole thing is about free speech. You can post whatever unless it's against the law, then obviously you can't. And with that, you can have porn and whatever. Now, because this is YouTube, I made sure to check this page in advance. This is just an example. I don't manage this girl. This is just an example of the type of content that's on there and what people are currently doing to promote. So on Twitter, if you're not aware, people are currently, just doing the usual, posting photos with some hashtags to get some attention, have the usual link in bio, the usual funnel, the usual funnel. Well, this has kind of been there, done that. And yeah, it works, but you got to put in the effort. And in terms of effort versus return, I'd probably lay back on that for now. But when the dust settles, I think this is going to be where it's at, the subscriptions. Being able to introduce a paywall on a big platform such as Twitter and having the ability to show free content, like picture this, it could be like a subreddit with OnlyFans attached. So you could have a subreddit, where you have your stories, selfies, whatever, and then you can have that paywall where they can get that extra bit of, something, something. So in the future, this would be like Reddit and OnlyFans combined, which would make it the ultimate platform, the easiest to upsell. If they like your normal content, well, then you can easily upsell them with the subscription, then they get the NSFW content. So that's a whole nother story. But for now, I would just hold off on using Twitter. Um, Another reason is because they have also stated that they're going to start charging for access to its API, which means any of those post schedulers, any of the bots, any kind of software that plugs into Twitter, they're going to be started. They're going to start getting charged a hefty premium to use it, which means their services will either cease to exist or they're going to have to introduce a heavy price tag to use it. So I wouldn't get too comfortable if you're using any post schedules on Twitter, if you have any method, if you have any strategies going on Twitter. I'll just hold out for now. And then when the time comes, when the time is here, prepare to be able to market on a whole new platform. It'll be like OnlyFans and Reddit combined. It's going to be massive. Um, But yeah, that's it. I can't remember if I covered everything. Yeah, I was pretty much just making this just to show, just to say, hold off. Don't worry about marketing and Twitter yet. Just focus on your dating apps, focus on your TikTok, focus on your, well, those two are the main. And then Reddit, of course, focus on the Reddit. Just lay off Twitter. Don't really worry about it for now. Let's let the dust settle. And then when the dust settles, not only can you market on Twitter, you can actually sell on Twitter. So I'll just hold off for now. Don't worry, I'll keep you posted. I've been following this story very closely. I've been following new CEO Linda Yaccarino and Elon. I'm following it very closely because it is quite exciting. It is quite exciting indeed. So I'll just hold off. Don't worry, I'll let you know when it's here. But in the meantime, just lay off Twitter, put your attention elsewhere, like dating apps, TikTok, and Reddit. Now, before this video ends, it wouldn't be a video if I didn't show you how badass this motherfucking forum is. We just surpassed 200 members. Fuck yes. Oh, hey, but we can just see all your shit on YouTube for free, can't we? We don't need to go on Empire. Well, first of all, Empire's free to sign up on, but there are some select categories that require premium access. Now, premium membership price goes up when we get to 250 members. Yeah, but we don't need premium membership because you just post all your shit on YouTube. Oh, do I? Well, here's a little something. This is a secret funnel that we have been preaching about. A lot of people keep asking us, yeah, you're saying you're creating all these dating apps and you don't get them verified. Yeah, you're full of shit. Whatever, prove it, prove it. Yeah. Well, we don't hold back in this, and this is just one of the gems that we have dropped in here, along with a whole lots of other crap. Let's have a bit of a look, eh? What's new? We got the chat room, we got the admin legal, we got the banking, we got the signing, it's setting up, chatting. Check out this. Check out this. I don't know if this is on YouTube. Is it on YouTube? No. Chatting scripts for days. Chatting scripts, chatting scripts. What else do we have here? Yeah, the dating apps, of course, other methods, automation and tools. People sell their shit. You can sell your shit. It's bloody crazy. Anyway, yeah, so if you want to know more, if you want to go find out more info, if you want the secret funnel, um, I'll see you on Empire Forums, baby. But yeah, if you like the content, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.